Yes, good morning, children. How are you? So, in the series of fraction and decimals, in the last class, we have studied decimal numbers. What are decimal numbers? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, then tenth, 1 by 10, hundredth, 1 by 100, thousandth, 1 by 1,000, 10,000, 1 by 10,000, and so on. And we have studied how to compare decimals, how to express rupees, kilogram, centimeter, in rupees, or in meter, or in kilometer, or in kilogram. That all you have studied in the previous class. Also, you have studied about how to write decimal numbers in expanded form. Now, today we are going to study multiplication of decimal numbers. So this is the topic we are taking today. So how to multiply decimal numbers. So let us start. So there are certain rules, you must follow this. So let us start with one example only. I am taking one example, children. While finding 0.1 into 0.1 or 0.2 into 0.3, you might have noticed that first we multiply them whole number. The very important point, first you simply multiply them as whole numbers, ignoring the decimal point. Don't look at the decimal point, just multiply the decimal numbers. See, I am taking one example. 0.9 into 0.8. I have taken a very simple example. 0.9 into 0.8. So what is the rule? First we multiply them as whole numbers. So multiply them as whole numbers. 9 into 8. We have multiplied 0.9, 9. And 0.8, 8. So we have multiplied them as whole numbers. Now multiply. 9 is a 72. So we have written 72. Now the next step is, now we have to put decimal. So start from the rightmost digit and count from where it started decimal. So here, see 0.9, see here 1. After this decimal, we have to move from right towards left. So 9. After 9, only one decimal there. That means one digit. Now here also, see here. After it, one decimal is there. That means here 1, here 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So we have to start again from the rightmost to the left. 1, 2. And then we have to put decimal. So 0.72. This is the answer. So simple. We have to multiply like this. And not only decimal with decimal, we can multiply whole number with decimal also. See here, I am multiplying. I am taking one example. 21 into 0.05. I have taken one whole number and one decimal number. So how to multiply? The rule simply is same as we have done here. Here also, what will take 21 into, we will take only 5. The whole number part will take, that is 5 only will take. Now multiply. 21 5s are 105, 105. Now count again the decimal in the same way that we have done in example number 1. Now starting from the rightmost digit towards left. 1, 2 means after decimal there will be 2 digits are there. So 2, and here no decimal is there, so no need to count anything. So 2. So we will start from the rightmost towards left. 1, 2. So 1.05. So we can do any decimal question with the help of this rule. So see, one difficult one will do. Let having so many points, so many decimals. Example number 3. So let's multiply 0.0001 into 0.08. I had taken this one question. It is looking very difficult. There are so many decimals, but no need to worry. Just take the, what we have to take? Only we have to take the whole number part. So 1 into 8. And we know 1 is a what? 8. Now the turn of putting decimal. This is we have done only the number part. Now let's do. Now count from the rightmost towards left till we'll not get the decimal point. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. 1, 2. 4 plus 2, 6. You have to add them. All decimal points you have to add them. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6. So 8 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then put decimal. So this is our solution. So see, very easily we have done. We can do in the same manner any decimal number to decimal number to whole number, or whole number to whole number, that you already know very well. So with the help of this, so what is the rule? Whenever to multiply, first what you have to take? We have taken as a whole number, ignoring the decimal point. So we have ignored here also decimal point. There is no decimal point here. We ignored the decimal point, and then we counted a number of digits starting from the rightmost digit. Then we have counted 1, here also 1, here 1, 2, like this. We have counted, and then in the product, we have to, how many are counted? 1 plus 1, 2. So in the product from the rightmost to the left, we have to put the decimal. So in the simple way we can do it. So I hope you all understood these questions. Now we will study multiplication of decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. So how to multiply 10 with 10, 100 and 1000? By 10, by 100, by 1000. So how to multiply? So let us take example only. By 10. First of all examples with 10. Example number 1. See, 3.52 multiply by 10. I am doing the same question, one question with 10, 100,000 all. So let us multiply by 10. When multiply by 10, whenever you are multiplying by 10, the decimal will shift to one place right. So simply you have to write. The decimal will shift to one place right. 35.2. Whenever you are multiplying by 10. Secondly, whenever you are multiplying by 100, I am taking one by one, all 10, then 100, then 1000. So let's multiply by 100. And whenever you are multiplying by 100, the decimal will shift to two places right. The decimal will shift to two places. 1, 2. So what will be the answer, children? 352. The decimal shift to two places right here. And whenever we are multiplying by 1000, 3.52 into 1000. So how many places decimal shift? 3 places. So 1, 2, but here only 2 are there. But you know, children, 3.52 can be written as 3.520, and so many zeros we can write. So many zeros. After decimal we can put as many zeros as we can. So if you are unable to see the next number or digit, put 0. So 1000, when we are multiplying by 1000, so what will happen? The decimal will shift to 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So answer will be 3520. So children, in 10 the decimal will shift to 1 place, 100 2 places, 1000 3 places to the right, and in 10,000 4 places, and so on. So let us start exercise 2.6 based on the multiplication of decimal numbers. So children, you understood that how to multiply decimal numbers. So let's start with question number 1. Find first 0.2 into 6. So what you have to do, children, once again I am telling you, just ignore the decimal and multiply. 2 6 are 12. Now count the number of digits. Here 0.2 means after decimal how many digits are there? Only 1. And here nothing is there. So only 1. So starting from the rightmost towards left, you have to put decimal. So 1.2. See the next one. Once again, 8 into 4.6. So multiply, just multiply 8 into 46. Ignore the decimal point. Multiply 8 6 are 48, carry 4. 8 4 are 32 plus 4 36. We have multiplied simply. After multiplication, count the number. Here there is no decimal. Here after decimal, how many are there? 1. So we have to start from the right and move towards left. So only 1. So 1, we have counted 8, 1. So 36.8. Similarly, here also ignoring decimal, multiply simply 271 into 5. Now multiply. 5 ones are 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 carry 3. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. So we have multiplied. Now count the decimal. After the decimal, there will be there is 1, 2 digits, and here no. So starting from the right towards left, 1 2. So we have to put 13.55 is our answer. Similarly, here to multiply, simply multiply first. 4 into 4, 4 0. First ignore decimal point. 201 into 4. Now simply multiply. 4 ones are 4. 4 zeros are 4 twos are 8. Now count. After decimal, only one digit is there. So starting from here, rightmost towards left, 80.4. So see children, how easily we have done. Now doing the remaining question. Again, once again, same thing. 5th, 6th and 7th. 3 question more left. Let's do this also. So simply multiply. Ignoring whole numbers. Ignoring decimal numbers, sorry. 5 7s are 35. We have done multiplication. Now count. After decimal, 1, 2. And here nothing. So 2 only. So starting from the right towards left. 1, 2. Put. And you can put 0 also. Now, here also say multiply first, ignoring the decimal one, multiplying first, simply multiplying any difficult one. First simply multiply, ignore the decimal one. Multiply. 4 to the 8. 4 0 0. 4 on the 4, 4 on the 4, 4 to the 8. So multiplied. Now put. After decimal, 1, 2. Here nothing. 2. So starting from the right towards left. 1, 2. This is answer. So simple. See this one also. Simply multiply 2 into 86. Ignoring the decimal point. Multiply 2 6 are 12. Cut to carry 1. 16 17. Now after decimal, how many digits? 1 2. Or here nothing. So 2. So 1 2. 1.72. Now see the next question, number 2. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 and breadth is 3. Breadth is given to us 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. So we know what is the formula for rectangle. Length is given to us. What is length given to us? 5.7 centimeter. And breadth 3 centimeter. So we know area of rectangle, children. What is area of rectangle? Length multiplied by breadth. So what is length here? Here length is 5.7. And what is breadth here? 3. So again, decimal number with whole number. So multiply first, ignoring the decimal point. 57 into 3. Ignoring decimal point. So what will get in multiplication? 7 3s are 21 1. Carry 2 5 3 15 plus 2 70. Now put decimal. After decimal 1. So here also 17.1. And area is measured in square unit, the square centimeter. Now we are going to multiply. What we are going to multiply, children, now? We are going to multiply decimal numbers with 10, 100 and 1000. And I am doing 3 questions. So remaining questions you do. I am doing only 3 questions with 10, 100 and 1000. As you know, it is very easy. So I am doing only 3 questions. So remaining you try yourself. 1.3 into 10. So we already studied that when multiplying by 10, the decimal will shift to one place right. By multiplying by 100, the decimal shift to two places right. By multiplying by 1000, the decimal shift to three places right. So let's start. 1.3 into 10. So what will be the answer? One decimal shift to one place left. So one place left means the decimal will come 13.0 or 13 only. Here also. So 31.1 into 100. Decimal shift to two places. Now only one place you see, so put 0. Put 0. Put 0, 1. Now two places. 1 and this is 2. So 3110. Now here 2. 0.03. 1000. 3 places. So how many places after decimal? 1, 2. So put 0 into 1000. Now 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So what result will get? The decimal shift to 3 places right. So 330 will get only 30.0, 30 only. Okay, so see 1, 2, 3 places right. So 1, 2, 3. So 0, there is no value importance of 0 after right decimal there. If you write like this 0, 0, 30 or 0, 30. So 0 doesn't matter. So 30 only. Now see the next question. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter of petrol? So simple. Solution: distance covered in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance covered in 1 liter of petrol? It's given to us 55.3 km. Therefore, distance covered in 10 liters of petrol, 1 liter 55.3. The distance covered in 10 liters of petrol. So multiply by 10. 55.3 into 10. And we know very well, when multiplying by 10, the decimal will shift to one place right. So 553.0, simply 553 kilometer. Now let us start question number 5, last question of this exercise. Once again, simply decimal number with decimal numbers we have to multiply. The rule is same. Ignore the decimal numbers, multiply simply and then put decimal. So same way we'll do. First one, see 2.5 into 0.3. So what you have to do? Ignore decimal. 25 into 3. 25 is a 75. Now count. After decimal 1, after decimal 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So start from the right towards left. 1, 2. Now see this one. Ignoring decimal, 1 into 517. 517 ones are 517. Now count. After decimal 1, after decimal 1 digit. 1 plus 1, 2 digit. So start from the right towards left. 1, 2, 5.17. See the next one. 0.2 into 316.8. So first, simply multiply. So ignoring decimal point again, 2 into 3168. We ignored both decimals. Now simply multiply. 6, 3, 3, 6. Now count. After decimal 1, after decimal 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So start from the right towards left. 1, 2. 63.36. See the next one, children. Again, simply multiply. 13 into 31. Multiply. 13 ones and 403. Now, count. After decimal 1, after decimal 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 1, 2, 4.03. So simple, children. Now, in the same manner, we'll do question number 5 too. So, see how we have made it so simple. We have to just simply multiply and then put decimal. So here too, after decimal, see 5, ignore decimal 5, 5 5s are 25. Now count. After decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 to 2 digits, 1 plus 2, 3. So 1, 2, but you are unable to see. Don't worry about that. We can put this many zeros. See 0, 0, 20, 0 to 5, 0, 25 or 25, same thing. We can remove 0 also. So we can put also 0. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So 0.025. Now simply multiply first. Here 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2 into 1, 5, 15. So multiply first. You can multiply in rough column. So 1, 6, 8, 0 is the multiplication result. Now count. After decimal 1, 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So starting from the right towards left. 1, 2, 3. 1.680. So now the next one. See the next one, children. 1.07 into 0.02. So multiply simply first. 107 into 2 only. 107 2s are 214. Now chance of now putting decimal. 1 2 1 2 2 plus 2 4. 1 2 3. Unable to see, so put 0 and then decimal. 1 2 3 4, and you can put one more 0 here. It doesn't matter. So this answer. So now next one, again ignore decimal. So ignored. Here also ignore decimal. Ignored. So 1005 into 105. So first you have to multiply, children. Multiply in rough column. 10525. So after multiplication, now count. 1 2 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. Start from the right towards left. 1 2 3 4. So 10.5525. Now see the last two question. Again simply first multiply. 10101 into 1 only. So when you multiply 1, it will result the same number. Now putting decimal 1 2 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. Starting from the right towards left. 1 2 3 4. So 1.0101. Now see the last question. Again we have to multiply in the same way. Ignore decimal. 10001 into 11. Simply we have multiplied. So let's multiply them. 1 1 0 0 1 1. We have multiplied. If you don't know multiplication, you can do in rough column. So after this, just count decimal. So 1 2. Here 1. 2 plus 1 3. So 3. 1 2 3. So this completes our exercise 2.6 we have completed. So I hope you understood this exercise. So goodbye for today. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.